أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from the shaitan mardud. So starting in the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
ذلك بأن الله نزل الكتاب بالحق وإن الذين اختلفوا في الكتاب لفي شقاق بعيد.
That is deserved by them, because Allah has sent down the book in truth, and indeed those who differ over the book are in extreme dissension.
ليس البر أن تولوا وجوهكم قبل المشرق والمغرب ولكن البر من آمن بالله واليوم الآخر والملائكة والكتاب والنبيين وآتى المال على حبه ذوي القربى واليتامى والمساكين وابن السبيل والسائلين وفي الرقاب وأقام الصلاة وآتى الزكاة والموفون بعهدهم إذا عاهدوا والصابرين في البأساء والضراء وحين البأس أولئك الذين صدقوا وأولئك هم المتقون.
Right answer is not that you turn your faces toward the east of the west, but true right answer is in one who believes in Allah, the last day, the angels, the book, and the prophets, and give wealth in spite of love for it to relatives or of the needy, to travel, those who ask for help, and for fearing slaves, and who establish prayer and give zakah, those who fulfill their promises when they promise, and those who are patient in poverty and hardship and during battle. Those are the ones who have been true, and it is those who are the right ones.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا كتب عليكم القصاص في القتلى الحر بالحر والعبد بالعبد والأنثى بالأنثى فمن عفي له من أخيه شيء فاتباع بالمعروف وأداء إليه بإحسان ذلك تخفيف من ربكم ورحمة فمن اعتدى بعد ذلك فله عذاب أليم.
O you have believed, prescribed for you is legal retribution for those murdered, the free for the free, the slave of the slave, and the female for the female. But whoever overlooks from his brother anything, then there should be a suitable follow-up and payment to him with good conduct. This is an elevation from your Lord and a mercy, but whoever transgresses after that will have a painful punishment.
ولكم في القصاص حياة يا أولي الألباب لعلكم تتقون.
And there is for you in legal retribution, saving of life, O you people of understanding, that you may become righteous.
كتب عليكم إذا حضر أحدكم الموت إن ترك خيرا الوصية للوالدين والأقربين بالمعروف حقا على المتقين.
For you, when death approaches any one of you, if he leaves wealth, is that he should make a bequest for the parents and near relatives according to what is acceptable, a duty upon the writers.
فمن بدله بعدما سمعه فإنما إثمه على الذين يبدلونه إن الله سميع عليم.
Then whoever alters to bequest after the has heard it, the sin of only upon those who have altered it. Indeed, Allah is hearing and knowing.
فمن خاف من موص جنفا أو إثما فأصلح بينهم فلا إثم عليه إن الله غفور رحيم.
But if one fears from the bequeather some error of sin, of corrects that which is between them, there is no sin upon him. Indeed, Allah is forgiving and merciful.
صدق الله العظيم.